Earlier, Republic TV has now accessed visuals of the fifth key accused arrested, Maninder Singh. 2 swords have been recovered from his house in the Swaroopnagar area. Further interrogation of the accused is now being conducted by the Delhi police. Well, do remember that the Delhi police has launched a manhunt for all those it believes was responsible for the violence that we saw in the capital on the 26th of January. Vandals, of course, vandalized parts of the Red Fort, which of course is a national monument. Thereafter, we have seen a crackdown by the Delhi police to nab people who were behind the violence that we saw on the streets of the capital. Maninder Singh, one of the key accused in this case, has now been arrested. He's the fifth arrest that has been made in this case. He, of course, we are given to understand, has been arrested from Swaroopnagar. 2 swords have also been recovered from his house. I'm going to try and go across to Piyush for more information on this, but joining me right now is Madhurima. Madhurima, we were earlier talking about Maninder Singh's involvement in the violence that we saw on Republic Day. He's been arrested from Delhi. Give us more details.
Well, Nupur, this person, Maninder Singh, has been arrested from Swaroopnagar area of the national capital. Let me highlight the fact that this area is just few kilometers from the Singhu border, and 2 swords have been seized from his residence at Swaroopnagar, and this has been done by the Pitampura Special Cell. This all comes in North Delhi, and this entire incident was also involving the North Delhi, where the Red Fort is situated. We know that the kind of violence and unraveled on the day of 26 January, where swords were one major weapon that was carried by multiple people, and now one of them have been arrested. He is one of the people who was carrying 2 swords, and this person has been picked up by the Delhi police by zeroing it down through the CCTV footage. We remember that Ashwin Srivastava had said that we are minutely scrutinizing each and every bit of every CCTV footage possible of all the affected areas, and we will be arresting all accused who are involved. All the culprits will be nabbed, and this is one such step by the Delhi police. We know that he's the 5th person who's been arrested for the 26th day Republic violence, because that was one day that was considered auspicious, and farmers breaking all the promises and all the contracts being made by the Delhi police came into the national capital and had revoked. So which is why the Delhi police is arresting one people after another, and after this person, this particular Maninder Singh, has been arrested by the Delhi police, Nupur, more people will be zeroed down through him, because we know that there were multiple people who were carrying swords, baton, and we know that it was not allowed. The farmers had agreed upon the fact that nobody will be carrying weapon. However, everything which happened on the streets of the national capital, the entire nation was privy to that, and which is why the Delhi police is taking cognizance of the entire events, and one after another, in heavy cracking down, they are arresting people. Absolutely. And Maninder Singh is one of the most wanted accused, and he's been arrested with 2 swords, Nipur.
Right, Madhurima, as you're pointing out, the arrest, of course, was made by the special cell of the Delhi police. Those are the details that are now emerging from this arrest.